Flare Network Review. Is it the future of blockchain? Features, pros, and cons explained. So, the Flare Network is a layer 1 EVM compatible blockchain built for the trustless access to off chain data and cross chain interoperability. It integrates two native protocols, the Flare Time Series Oracle and the State Connector, to enable smart contracts to securely consume real-world and cross-chain information without relying on the centralized oracles. Now let's talk about the pros. For the pros, it has a built-in decentralized data feeds via FTSO. It also offers cross-chain interoperability, which allows integrations with non-smart contract chains. And they have an EVM compatibility, which ensures developers can deploy smart contracts and use familiar Ethereums. They also offer fast and low transactions, and they have a growing real-world use cases. In the cons though, there are some problems with high competition in the interoperabilities. There are also some regulatory and tokenomic risks, and the brand and the launch dependence with origins tied to Ripple and XRPs, and is still building the ecosystem, so it's still relatively new. So overall, Flare Network is legit and the forward-thinking blockchain platform, uniquely positioned as a blockchain for data. Its core innovations, native decentralized oracles, cross-chain data access, and EVM compatibility, equip it to serve as foundational infrastructure for DeFi and more.